behind the eye, any headaches at all?
Just a little bit. Feel uncomfortable.
Feels a little uncomfortable?
Yeah.
Got it.
Left eye. Left.
So this past month we had the pleasure of taking care of Rafika and Indika, who came all the way from Indonesia. That's always wear the best clothes. Always matching. They extended their stay here in Los Angeles to receive chiropractic care. Keep your elbow tucked in here. Push it. Pull in. Pull, 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 pull. So much stronger than the first time we came in. Remember that when you came in? It's just whoop. No power. I just want to extend my gratitude to both of them. Thank you for being here and giving us the opportunity to serve you. We're always very grateful for patients who come from all around the world to receive chiropractic care. So can you feel how this one moves really easily in? This one gets a little stuck right here. So I know you're jealous. You love this one, huh, Indika?
I'm smiling. You should see my smile. Let's go face that a little bit. Good. Almost.
There we go. I know, weird sensation.
Wow. Happy New Year.
Yeah.
We want more.
You're up next. There you go.
Chin up high. Beautiful.
Push up. Other way. Up this way. There you go. So that's going to bring out your SCM, the sternocleidomastoid. We're just going to massage in through here. This muscle attaches onto the mastoid up at the top here. Also goes down into the clavicle, into the sternum. Could be a big source of headaches, neck pain, shoulder pain. Kind of just lifting it up and getting under it. I know it could be a little bit painful. Let me know if I'm going too hard. You okay? Cool. You're tough, Rafika. Already starting to move on me. You're back now. Oh, wow.
Ooh, that's a big one.
Yes, sir. Lay on your back. You're going to swing your feet around this way. Nerves will come out of here. So I'm going to start working on this one little nerve, and it'll cause some headaches, especially ocular headaches, headaches like around the eye. So we're going to just work through here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, done. And then we have a superior one and an inferior one. It's going to be just below. My hand okay here? And this is something you can also do at home. So you can kind of feel if there's like a little divot. Very, very small. Give me your finger. And those, you can rub in through here and it'll start to release tension around the eye area. So you do one here. Sometimes if you have the banded headaches too, it'll help with that as well. So it'll help a lot when you start feeling an onset of a headache. You rub down below, and it's going to be in closer to the nose. And you rub up above here, inner part of the eyebrow here. And that will help a lot as well. Yeah, those mid-thoracic ones have really opened up your spine. You guys did great today. we're gonna do this. We're gonna get you guys on traction. For you, we're just gonna traction your neck. I want to traction your whole body. Come on up this way.